Ever feel like your bank operates on dial-up time? Endless paperwork, cryptic fees, and a branch visit that takes longer than a root canal? Yeah, we've all been there. But what if there was a better way? A way to manage your business finances entirely online, with total transparency and features that actually help you grow? That's where Qonto comes in. But before we dive deep, let's answer the burning question. Is Qonto an online bank? Absolutely. Qonto is a frontrunner in the exciting world of neobanks, or online-only financial institutions specifically designed for businesses. Forget the dusty bank lobbies and frustrating phone calls. With Qonto, you can manage everything from your laptop or phone, making financial management a breeze. Why choose an online bank like Qonto? Here's the deal. Traditional banks often cater to a one-size-fits-all approach. They might offer basic business accounts, but often lack the features and flexibility that modern businesses crave. Qonto, on the other hand, is built for the dynamic world of entrepreneurs, freelancers, and small and medium-sized enterprises, SMEs. So, what makes Qonto different? Let's break it down. Effortless setup. Gone are the days of waiting weeks for approvals. With Qonto, you can open your business account in a matter of minutes, all online. No more chasing down paperwork or getting lost in banking bureaucracy. Say goodbye to hidden fees. Remember those surprise charges that always seem to pop up on traditional bank statements? Qonto offers complete transparency. You'll see exactly what you're paying for, with no hidden fees to eat away at your bottom line. The power is in your pocket. Manage your finances from anywhere, anytime with Qonto's user-friendly mobile app. Issue invoices, track expenses, and make payments, all with a few taps on your screen. Features designed for business growth, Qonto goes beyond simple banking. It offers a suite of tools to streamline your operations. Integrate with accounting software, manage multiple users with customizable permissions, and even leverage expense management features to keep your finances organized. Built for teams, Qonto understands that many businesses are collaborative efforts. Assign virtual cards to team members, set spending limits, and gain real-time insights into your company's financial health. International appeal, operating across borders? No problem. Qonto offers international transfers, making it easy to manage your global business finances. Is Qonto right for you? If you're a business owner tired of the limitations of traditional banks, then Qonto is definitely worth considering. It's perfect for those who value convenience. Manage your finances from anywhere, anytime. Transparency. Know exactly what you're paying for, with no hidden fees. Features. Boost your business with integrated tools and expense management. Flexibility. Scale your account as your business grows. Remember, every business is unique. The best way to see if Qonto is the right fit is to explore their website and see what they offer. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy banking.